Hey everyone, this is Alan here. Glad you could join me. I'm going to do a version of a flip and drag that I have thought about, and this will be for the as a substitution for Tina's video for tomorrow. Colors we're going to use 4 different colors. First color we got is the Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. Second color is the Craftsmart Midnight Blue Metallic. Third color is the Lucas Indigo Blue. And the fourth color is Craftsmart's Pewter Metallic. What we're going to do is the canvas is a 14 by 14 canvas. I've already put the base paint down. I have a white base paint, no silicone in it, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my cup first with the WD-40 away from my canvas. What that's going to do is it's going to release all the paint out of the cup. And what I want to do is I want the light blue to show up first. So I'm going to put that in the bottom of the cup. Second color is the Midnight Blue Metallic. Third one is the Lucas Indigo. And the fourth one is the Craftsmart Pewter Metallic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in one corner, and I'm going to drag this through the white and around through the canvas. So here goes. I'm going to go ahead and just poke a hole, release any additional paint that may be in there. Seeing a lot of cells opening up on that. And what I'm going to do now is just a little movement of the paint around the canvas, try to even it out a little. As you may know, I've done mostly lives, never really done the videos before, other than my little experiment with the leaf blower. But I thought this would be something a little different that I have not seen a lot of videos or other people try to do with the floating or with the drag cup. I should say the flip and drag. Got some crazy designs that are developing on this too. I'll bring it up to the camera and give you a close-up here in just a minute once I get this last corner. Next thing I'm going to do is torch it. Get those air bubbles out of there. Okay, I can give you a close-up of this. Got some really cool designs in this. The color choices that I made, I think were very complimentary, and looks pretty good. I think this one will be going to the drying rack here in just a couple of minutes. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe if you're viewing this for the first time. And I would just like to say, don't forget the links underneath to order your stone coat coating, the resin coating. Also the link to any of your supplies for the Amazon shop, and we look forward to seeing you on Monday Night Live. As Tina would say, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye now.